One key measure of lubricant quality is its ability to flow at low temperatures. Fluid lubricants thicken as their temperature decreases until they reach a point at which they become no longer fluid. As they thicken, their ability to be circulated becomes significantly impaired. To demonstrate this, let's compare two different 5W30 motor oils and see how they perform under very cold temperatures. The oil on the left is a leading conventional engine oil, while the oil on the right is Amsoil Signature Series synthetic motor oil. Both lubricants were cooled to a frigid 40 degrees below Celsius before being placed in the pouring device you see here. Watch the beakers as they are tipped forward to allow each lubricant to drain. Extreme cold is no problem for Amsoil Signature Series synthetic motor oil. Almost instantly, Amsoil begins to flow out of its beaker in a continuous and consistent stream. Notice that the conventional product barely moves. Even after a full minute, the lubricant has failed to leave the beaker. Up to 60% of total engine wear occurs during cold starting conditions, before the oil can be circulated through the engine. Minimizing this delay significantly reduces the potential for wear and helps prolong oil life. It also helps the engine turn over quickly and dependably in frigid temperatures. Cold temperature performance is one more area where Amsoil synthetic motor oils help keep your engine protected.